Now similarly, we will enter individual vendors and their balances. We have already entered the creditors total as a control account, which makes up the total to 350,000. But since we have not entered individual vendors and their balances, so it doesn't show the breakup of it. So similar method will be followed. I'll go to our main screen of Peachtree and I'll click on vendors and purchases. Now select vendors and click on new vendor. Now this interface is quite similar, so I'll not explain it. V100 is for vendor 1, and then I'll go directly in history and change the date to 1st of January 2020, and my balance, opening balance for first vendor is, okay, it asks for the valid account right now. So my first vendor name is Daniel, and the expense type that we have is, I'll select cost of goods sold for it. Let's select cost of goods sold. Okay, now expense account. In the expense account, I'll select inventory, because what we are purchasing from this vendor will be considered as inventory. Normally it's an inventory item, right? So I'll just scroll up, because inventory will be found with code starting from 1. So inventory, the rest of information will be same as we enter in customers. So I'll go to history. 1st of January 2020 is my date. Vendor beginning balances. Now that we have entered the compulsory fields, it will ask you to save the record first and then enter the opening balances. So I'll click yes. Now invoice number is, let's say 2001 is my invoice number, and the opening date is 1st of January 2020. The amount for first vendor is 100,000, opening balance 100,000, and it automatically picks up this accounts payable. So that's okay. Save it and close. All okay. Now save and new. Second vendor is V200 and vendor name is Shahid. Expense account, I'll select inventory. So I'll just scroll down a bit. 1410 is my code for inventory. 1410. Now I'll go to history, and 1st of January 2020 is my custom vendor since date. Save it. 2002, 1st of January 2020, and the total amount is 250,000. 250,000 is amount. Accounts payable account is this. Save it and close and save and new. So after that, if you want to see the vendors and their balances updated, I'll click on refresh, so it will show it here. So this is how we enter vendors and their balances in Peachtree.